Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this cool gray character! Hello, super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 9000. Did you know Numberblock 9000, 9 groups of 1000? 9000! Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. A tall, strong body. Magnificent! Now, draw 8 vertical lines inside the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This makes 9 sections. Now, draw 90 vertical lines inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. Fantastic! We reached 90. That's N-I-N-E-T-Y. Now it is time for the horizontal lines. Let's draw the first group of lines. Here we go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000, 2,100, 2,200, 2,300, 2,400, 2,500, 2,600, 2,700, 2,800, 2,900, 3,000, 3,100, 3,200, 3,300, 3,400, 3,500, 3,600, 3,700, 3,800, 3,900, 4,000, 4,100, 4,200, 4,300, 4,400, 4,500, 4,600, 4,700, 4,800, 4,900, 5,000, 5,100, 5,200, 5,300, 5,400, 5,500, 5,600, 5,700, 5,800, 5,900, 6,000, 6,100, 6,200, 6,300, 6,400, 6,500, 6,600, 6,700, 6,800, 6,900, 7,000, 7,100, 7,200, 7,300, 7,400, 7,500, 7,600, 7,700, 7,800, 7,900, 8,000, 8,100, 8,200, 8,300, 8,400, 8,500, 8,600, 8,700, 8,800, 8,900, 9,000.
Our pencils may be rusting, but our ideas never stop. Tomorrow we'll discover another amazing number.
Draw the eyes, add eye details and pupils.
The pencil starts a little journey, sliding softly on the page. Every mark becomes a story, every sketch unlocks a stage. Tiny corners, tiny pathways, leading to a brand new friend. One more shade
Next, draw cool eyebrows.
Watch the picture gently blend. Every stroke becomes a treasure.
Now draw the happy smile with inside mouth, add teeth line.
Keep on smiling, wonder shining.
Draw the hands on both sides. Draw the legs at the bottom. And draw the stylish pocket on the side. At the top, write 9,000.
Adventures start today. Pencil magic.
I am Numberblock 9,000.
What's your number blocks?
Coloring time! Let's make it look awesome. First, pick up the black color. Spell black, B-L-A-C, pay, black. Color the eye pupils black.
Brushes twirl like little dancers, painting colors everywhere. Golden sunshine, silver starlight.
Now pick up navy blue. Spell navy blue, N-A-V-Y-B-L-U-E, navy blue. Color the eye outlines, eyebrows, smile outline, hands and legs navy blue.
Every little brush we swing makes the page dance and sing. Swish, splash, round we go. Watch the magic start to glow. Wave your colors high and low. See amazing pictures grow. Magic colors splash, swirling, twirling, round and round. Happy colors jump around. Every number block starts to shine. Every masterpiece, wits divine. Paints with laughter, paints with light. Paint to think feels big and bright. Crystal blue and berry purple, sunny gold and apple green. Every shade becomes a treasure, brighter than you've ever seen.
Now pick up light gray. Spell light gray, L-I-G-H-T, G-R-E-Y, light gray. Color the first 3,000 blocks and the pocket light gray. Color check time. How many blocks have we colored so far? The answer is 3,000. Well done!
Tiny artists love to see pictures full of fantasy. One bright sparkles, you bright sparkles, you bright sparkles. Watch them fly. Every rainbow touches sky. Every color has a chance. Every number block starts to dance. Magic color splash, Haley love it, watch it shine. Every color looks so fine. Wave your brush from side to side. Fill the page with joyful pride. Sing together, smile together, learn together. Every day, magic color splash lights the way. The colors are glowing, the number blocks are smiling, and another magical adventure is waiting for you. See you next time.
Now pick up gray. Spell gray, G-R-E-Y, gray. Color the next 3,000 blocks gray. You are doing so well. Keep going.
Open your crayons, open your markers. The rainbow block party is about to begin. A little splash of cherry red, a sunny glow of lemon bright, a drop of blue like ocean waves, making every block delight. Golden colors start to twinkle, emerald sparkles join the fun. Every tiny square is smiling, dancing underneath the sun. Pick a color, spin around. Happy magic can be found. Every shade has its place. Every smile, oh, red is dancing, blue is smiling, yellow brings a sunny day. Green is glowing, orange glowing, purple loves to laugh and play. Color here, color there, happy colors everywhere. Bright and bold, soft and light, everything is looking bright. Color every number block, fill each little square. Make them happy.
And now the final color, dark gray. Spell dark gray, D-A-R-K-G-R-E-Y, dark gray. Color the last 3,000 blocks dark gray.
Big adventures start today. Color love and learn through play. Little colors side by side, making rainbows full of pride. Every block becomes brand new, every dream comes shining through. Fill the corners, fill the middle, leave no tiny space behind. Every color works together, making beautiful designs. Splash of red, splash of blue, every picture smiles at you. Golden yellow, emerald green, the happiest we've ever seen. Mix the colors, watch them glow, see the magic start to grow. Bright ideas lead the way, learning happens every day. Every number block looks so bright, filled with colors, filled with light. Color every number block, watch them come alive. Every page is full of wonder,
And done! 9,000 blocks beautifully colored. Wow! Number block 9,000 looks incredible!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.